Good afternoon, all. Welcome, all of you. So, this is our last lecture in this flashcard revision series.
Good afternoon, all.
And CSIR-NET aspirants who are appearing tomorrow's CSIR-NET exam, all the best, first of all. And GATE aspirants who are preparing for Feb 2026 exam, this session is useful for you also. The common session for the upcoming NET exam and GATE exams. So, please invite your friends, let all people join, let all aspirants, whether it is GATE aspirants or NET aspirants, let them join. We'll wait for 1 minute. Invite your friends super fast. Okay, so check out the previous lectures on shortcut methods, tips and tricks, and 50 question rapid fire practice, which is available in this channel. And all of you who are here, who are watching this live or recorded, make sure you have subscribed the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming lectures. And also you will be able to access 900 plus free videos in this channel. And if you want to get more updates, join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, where you will get study materials and other updates of the upcoming class, and download our mobile app to access our flashcards or other courses. Speaking of courses, GATE General Aptitude complete course recorded batch is currently available at a very reduced price as the exam is near. So it's having the videos of the latest live classes and latest study materials, including mock test, flashcards, etc. And CSIR-NET aspirants recorded courses currently available, and 2026 live complete course we are launching very soon. So those of you are preparing for June 2026 or December 2026 exam, you can join this course. So download our mobile app Christy's Classes or visit our website christysclasses.in so that you will get updates. And that's it. Let's start today's session. फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स में नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, प्रोबेबिलिटी, परसेंटेजेस, प्रॉफिट लॉस, डिस्काउंट, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, लीनियर इक्वेशंस, एवरेज और एलिमेंटरी स्टैटिस्टिक्स, मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन, स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, टाइम, ट्रेन प्रॉब्लम, बॉट एंड स्ट्रीम प्रॉब्लम, वर्क एंड टाइम प्रॉब्लम, इतना डिस्कस किया था. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट ज्योमेट्री. ज्योमेट्री इज अ वेरी वास्ट topic. So most important things in geometry we will discuss here. So polygon is a very important area of geometry. Sum of interior angle of a polygon, this is very important concept. N minus 2 into 180 degree. For example pentagon है तो 5 minus 2 into 180, which will be 3 into 180, 540 degree होगा pentagon का sum of interior angle. That means all these 5 angles added. Sum of exterior. Now regular polygon है तो what is a regular polygon? A polygon whose all sides are equal, all angles are equal, that is equilateral and equiangular. For example, square is a regular polygon. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. But rectangle is not a regular polygon because its all sides are not equal. All angles are equal, but that is not enough. Equilateral भी होना चाहिए, equiangular भी होना चाहिए. And रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो ईच एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए n से डिवाइड करना है. लाइक पेंटागन है तो रेगुलर पेंटागन है तो सम ऑफ इंटर एंगल 540 by 5 108 डिग्री होगा ईच एंगल. देन एक्सटीरियर एंगल, सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑलवेज 360 होगा. रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो ईच ऑफ देम विल बी 360 by n. नाउ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट आल्सो इट इज गुड टू नो. नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स इन एन साइडेड पॉलीगन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये पेंटागन का नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स 5c2 minus 5 होगा. व्हाट इज 5c2? परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन डिस्कशन में डिस्कस किया था. 5c2 10 minus 5 होगा. That is this formula. Minimum this much things about polygon formulas you should know. So ये यूज करके these are the angles you are deriving. Quadrilaterals है ये सब, इसलिए 360 डिग्री होगा. So and major polygons you should know the shape of it. वन बाई वन एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए टाइम नहीं है, बट These shapes I hope you all know. Regular, irregular and convex, concave. ये भी GATE exam में एक बार directly पूछा था. Which among the following is a convex polygon? And the word convex polygon was mentioned in previous CSIR-NET exams also. Then simple complex is another distinction, but that is not very important with respect to your exams. Now triangle is a very important polygon. Different types of triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Isosceles triangle है तो two sides equal होगा. And this property of isosceles triangle is very important. Two sides equal है तो वो दो sides का opposite angles भी equal होगा. ये दो angles भी equal होगा. So, and scalene triangle is exact opposite of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle में सारा sides equal होगा तो scalene triangle में सारा sides unequal होगा. And सारा angles भी unequal होगा. Acute angle means each one angle is less than 90. Sorry, all angles are less than 90. Obtuse angle means one of the angles are more than 90. Right angle means one of the angles are equal to 90. Right angle triangle के लिए Pythagoras theorem, I hope all of you know. Pythagoras theorem is also a very important concept based on which questions can be asked. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. And triplets which satisfies Pythagoras theorem is called Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. For example, 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, etc. And any multiple of Pythagorean triplet is Pythagorean. 3, 4, 5 का double है 6, 8, 10. वो भी Pythagorean है. मतलब उसका भी 6 square plus 8 square 10 square होगा. Similarly, 3 times या 4 times या any number of times if you multiply Pythagorean triplet, you are going to get another Pythagorean triplet. Is that clear? Then, circle is a very important 2D shape. Circle ka theorems also are important. Most important theorem is this one and this one. Angle subtended by at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended with the circumference. ये x है तो ये 2x होगा. Use another color. Clear है ना? All of you please respond. Are you understanding? And semicircle है तो या diameter से angle subtend कर रहा तो वो always 90 degree होगा. Always 90 degree होगा. More properties are there. This you can go through if you want. Then next area is mensuration. Mensuration means perimeter, area and volume related question. So you should know the perimeter, area, volume of each of these shapes. इसका derivation हमारा detailed lectures में दिया है. Please go through it. How these formulas can be derived. Now I am not deriving it. Perimeter, area and volume of major shapes. ये quadrilaterals का perimeter area है. ये 3D shapes का volume और surface area वो भी important है. Especially prism type shapes. These all are prism type shapes. उसका general formula base area into height है. According to the base, the formula will be base area. For example, rectangular pyramid है तो base rectangle है. So length into breadth into height. Cube है तो base square है. So a square into a. Cylinder है तो circle base. So circle pi r square circle का area into height. Cylinder is technically not a prism, but the concept of prism is applicable there. Because prism होने के लिए polygon से ही prism बना सकता है. Circle is not a polygon. Similarly, another important shape is pyramid. Pyramid का general formula 1/3 base area into height है volume के लिए. और base area differ करने से formula भी differ होगा. Square है तो 1/3 square area into height. Rectangle है तो 1/3 rectangle area into height. Cone है तो 1/3 circle area into height. Just like cylinder, cone is also not technically a pyramid, even if that follows the same idea. Then sphere, hemisphere, also frustum. If possible, learn it. One time they have asked about frustum, but sphere, most repeated one. So you should know the volume and surface area of it. Next area is Venn diagram. Venn diagram, you should know the major Venn diagram. Complete course students, we recently discussed this, right? So A union B, A intersection B, ये दोनों idea clear है ना? और ये A union B और A intersection B connect करने वाला formula, principle of inclusion and exclusion is called N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. That is for two circles here, two set. If it is 3 circles, the formula will be this. These two formula also are important. Now Venn diagram ka different regions is listed here. That also are important. You can go through the flashcard. Now other data representation or data interpretation concepts we will discuss. Mainly the different types of graphs. Constant graph matlab parallel to x-axis. Linear graph, proportional graph, inversely proportional, square, square root, exponential, logarithm, etc. One of the previous exam, this exponential graph, many students got confused. Exponential graph matlab any question, if there is a curve, don't think that is exponential. It depends upon what comparison is done. Is it x by y or rate of x by rate of x by y? Depending on that, it will change. Again, previous year questions, when I have explained it, I have elaborated that. Now, different types of data representation tool based questions can be asked. Bar chart देख के क्वेश्चन दे सकता है, हिस्टोग्राम, पाई चार्ट, लाइन ग्राफ, लाइन प्लॉट, टेबल, एक्सेट्रा. Those things, hope you are clear about it. Next area is clock problem. Clock problem में ये फॉर्मूला बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है in the CSIR-NET Aspirants, even tomorrow's exam also. Based on this, they may ask a question. Half into modulus of 60h minus 11m, where h is hour hand value, m is minute hand value. Mirror image of a given time. To find mirror image time, for example 325 का mirror image time 835 है, कैसा मिला? 1160 से subtract करना है. 1160 means 60 minutes after 11, which is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock is the line of symmetry. So 12 o'clock से subtract करना है, but 12:00 से 25 subtract करना confusing होगा, इसलिए 12 को 1160 लिख रहा है. And if the value is above 11, it is better to take 2360. 2360 means 60 minutes after 23 o'clock. That is 23 o'clock plus 1 hour. That is 24 hour. 24 hour means 12 hour itself. So always subtracting from 12 itself. But 12 को 1160 या 2360 लिख सकता है as per your convenience. Modular arithmetic it is called, because with respect to clock 24 hour, 12 hour, 0 hour तीनों equal है. That is a reason. Then clock का other properties I have listed here. This point also is very important. Angle between minute hand and hour hand repeats after 65 and 5/11 minutes. Then उसका specific question पूछ सकता है. Minute hand and hour hand will coincide how many times in a day? So coincide means 0 degree, like this. So 22 times in a day. Opposite to each other, या collinear means 180 degree. That is also 22 times. But 90 degrees occurring, double, 44 times. इसका reason, इसका explanation, previous lectures देखिए, you can learn it. Now next topic is calendar problem. Calendar problem में most important concept is odd day concept. Odd days are extra days after complete weeks. For example, 50 days में 1 odd day, because 50 is 49 plus 1. 49 is 7 weeks now. मतलब multiple of 7 plus something. That something is called odd day. All of you are understanding?
Odd day because 50.
Please respond. Those of you are watching me live or recorded, are you understanding the concept? This is being beneficial. Are you able to revise properly? And if you are understanding, at least hit the like button. So what is leap year? All of you know, I guess 366 days वाला year है leap year. February में 29 days होगा. And many people think that every multiple of 4 are leap year. That is wrong. That is just one of the criteria. नॉन सेंचुरी है तो डिविजिबल बाई 4 या मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 चेक करना काफ़ी है. बट सेंचुरी है तो डिविजिबल बाई 400 होना भी ज़रूरी है. द नंबर शुड बी डिविजिबल बाई 400 फॉर द ईयर टू बी अ लीप ईयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2200, इट्स अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, बट स्टिल इट इज़ नॉट अ लीप ईयर, बिकॉज आज 2200 इज अ सेंचुरी. सेंचुरी मीन्स मल्टीपल ऑफ 100. मल्टीपल ऑफ 100 के लिए 400 से भी डिविजिबल होना चाहिए. 2200 400 से डिविजिबल नहीं है. 400 से डिविजिबल मीन्स 400, 800, 1200, 1600, 2000, 2400 एक्सेट्रा. ये 2200 लीप ईयर नहीं है. ऑर्डिनरी ईयर मीन्स ईयर विच इज नॉट अ लीप ईयर. या 1700, 1800, 1900, 2100 आर ऑल ordinary years because of the reason of for 2200. Are you all clear? Then odd days का calculation यहाँ दिया है. How to calculate odd days? 62 days है तो 62 by 7 का reminder और 62 modulo 7, that is what mathematically it is represented. And हर month का odd days what is it? I already told you. every month का odd days और every month में कितना days है, that also remembering is important. And year में 365 366 days, so odd days are 1 and 2 respectively. Then series formation chapter is a very important chapter. Very important means last few years GATE exam में question आ रहा है, NET exam में कम question आ रहा है, but they can ask and it is not very difficult to solve. Major type of number sequences are listed here. Arithmetic, geometric, prime, power, reversal. ये 5 standard sequences you should know. उसका derived sequence है ये sequences. Go through this flashcard, you will get an idea. Then letter sequence is also important. Letter sequence में A to Z English alphabet का order important है, and their position also. For example, E is 5th position, J is 10th position, O is 15th position, T is 20th position, Y is 25th position. That is called EJOT code. I am only taking multiple of 5 so that it is relatable. For example, U का position find करना है तो मुझे पता है T20 है, T20 है तो TU है, so U21 होना चाहिए, U21 होना चाहिए. And please understand, alphabet is a circle. A to Z, Z के बाद next letter A है. This idea is important in coding decoding chapter also. Z के साथ एक letter add किया तो A मिलेगा. Z के बाद no letter, don't think so. So, and symbol sequence or spatial aptitude, this is called in GATE exam. About rotation, anti-clockwise or clockwise, translation, flipping, you should know. Flipping means like mirror image. यहाँ एक mirror रखा तो ऐसा flip होगा, यहाँ एक mirror रखा तो ऐसा flip होगा, दोनों mirrors का mirror imaging के बाद ऐसा होगा. So then coding decoding an important topic, questions can be expected from this chapter. Different types of coding decoding, detailed lecture on this topic I have taken, go through it. Those of you are new to the platform, check out the previous YouTube videos itself, many I have given. Complete course students, systematic lecture on this topic we have covered. So different types of coding with the help of A, B, C, D, E, F I have written here. Like A, B, C, D, E, F reverse order में लिखा तो ऐसा मिलेगा. So that is one type of coding. The question will be asked something like this. A, B, C, D is written as D, D, C, E, F. Then what is, sorry, A, B, C, D is written as D, C, B, A. Then what is Delhi called in that code? Adding a common number, this is another very repeated type of question. For example, एक के साथ 2 add किया तो C मिलेगा. B plus 2 is D, C plus 2 is E, D plus 2 is F, E plus 2 is G, F plus 2 is H. So plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. इसका जगह plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 या plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 या minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Successive increase means first term one increase, second term another, like A plus 1 is B, B plus 2 is D, C plus 3 is D, F, D plus 4 is H, E plus 5 is J, and F plus 6 is L. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 ऐसा successive increase है. Then oscillating pattern भी हो सकता है. Oscillating means ये देखिए A minus 1 is Z, A minus 1 Z because of the circle of alphabet concept. A previous letter is Z now. So B plus 1 is C, C minus 1 is B, E, D plus 1 is E. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 the pattern. Alphabets reverse order में लिख सकते हैं. For example, English alphabet में, yeah, that is what this flashcard reverse equivalent वाला concept. A is written Z, C is written X, G is written T, etc. 26 letters है ना, first 13 letter और then next 13 letter reverse order में नीचे write किया तो you will be able to identify it. So that way also coding can be done, reverse order. Group pattern भी हो सकता है. For example, ABC, ZAB, there is a connection, DEF, EGI, another connection. The group में भी हो सकता है. Now go through the other types of questions yourself. Then cubes and dice, much questions नहीं पूछा नहीं है, but if you want you can go through it. I'm not elaborating this. Detailed lecture on cube and dice we have taken before in the complete course lectures. Then blood relation chapter is a topic which takes more time to explain. So you should know how to draw blood relations. For that, these are the symbols I follow. Female by circle, male by square या rectangle. Spouses मतलब क्या है? People who are married to each other. Siblings means people who are brother or sister to each other. Parent child के लिए ये vertical line. ये use करके you can draw these blood relation tree. So then statement related problem, you should know the basic definition of a statement, what is negation of a statement, what is converse, inverse and contrapositive. Converse of a statement is P implies Q ko Q implies P likhna, that is converse. For example, if it rained last night, the field will be wet. Uska converse hai, if the field is wet, then it rained last night. Please understand that statement sahi hai matlab converse sahi hai, aisa zaruri nahi hai. In this example also that is visible ना. बारिश हुआ तो field wet होगा, but field wet हुआ तो बारिश हुआ होगा we can't say, because other reason से भी field wet हो सकता है. Similarly inverse क्या है? P implies Q है तो inverse means not P implies not Q. Negation of P implies negation of Q. If it rained last night, the field will be wet. If it did not rain last night, the field will not be wet. Contrapositive means not Q implies not P. If it rained last night, the field will be wet. If the field is not wet, it did not rain last night. Please understand, statement true है तो contrapositive भी true होगा. This concept was asked repeatedly, so please understand it well. Ranking and ordering में ये left rank plus right rank minus 1 is total. That is actually a helpful formula. And seating arrangement में linear arrangement हो सकता है. Linear arrangement में please understand, there are two people who have only one neighbors. Circular arrangement में सबको दो neighbors होगा. But linear arrangement में all but two people will have two neighbors. B को two neighbors है, A को two neighbors है, but C and D को एक ही neighbor है. Neighbor को we call it immediate left or immediate right. In the question also you can see these terminologies. Now circular arrangement में one important aspect is diametrically opposite people. मतलब वो दो people के बीच में एक diameter draw कर सकता है. C and G, A and D, B and F, D and H, etc. Then syllogism questions. These ideas are important. Venn diagram draw करने वाला x subset of y, for all x are y, no x are y, these things. So these are the major areas, all the major areas including reasoning I have shown you, and these things which I have discussed will be helpful for CSIR, GATE or any other similar competitive exams also. If there is any doubt, please ask. As many of you have exam tomorrow, I am not taking a long session today. That's why I am going a little fast to complete. Almost all the major areas we have covered. Few more flashcards are there, which is there in our mobile app Christy's classes. But the major flashcards we have covered as a quick revision. So, पिछले lectures miss किया तो please check that lectures. It is available in the YouTube channel. This is I think the 12th lecture in this series of exam special lectures. Please let me know whether this session was useful, and after tomorrow's exam also let me know as the comments of this YouTube videos. You can mention whether this flashcard series or rapid fire series or exam hack series, whether it has helped you, and be part of our Telegram channel, WhatsApp group and other initiative so that you don't miss any of our upcoming updates. And under this video, please take a moment after the class is over to comment under the video so that others can also find the quality of the lectures, and subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon and share it to your friends. And CSIR exam ke baad we will be doing a paper analysis session in the upcoming days, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever that lecture is scheduled, or be part of our mobile app and website, Telegram channel and WhatsApp group so that we will notify you whenever we take the session. So GATE Aspirants, a very unique recorded courses available in our platform, which have 70 live lecture recordings, 60 class note PDFs, 60 practice worksheets, flashcards ebook, mock test for general aptitude, short tricks and PYQs up to the latest PYQs. And it is available now at a very limited time price, so make use of that offer. and CSIR-NET Aspirants recorded course, or wait for our live complete course 2026, those who are preparing for June 2026 or December 2026 exam, because we are planning something that is more bigger than our any previous course. Stay tuned. That's it. I think let's conclude for today. All the best, all of you who have exam tomorrow. Do well, and yeah, don't panic and lose your focus. You should carefully read the question without getting tensed or without getting confused. So, and so that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Once again, all the best. Upcoming days we will be doing paper analysis sessions and few more lectures for GATE exam also. Thank you all, and those who attended our previous session, like to hear from all of you whether the sessions were useful. Thank you all. Take care all of you. See you all on the next session. Bye bye.